Hi there, Dan from Web Ninja here, and today's video is all about how to manage the menus on your site. So a menu is anywhere on the site where we've got some embedded links. So the obvious one is this red line along the top. This is really, most websites will have this in some way, shape or form, but you want to be able to control the content and manage the links that are in here. So I'll show you how to do that today. Just note as well on our normal templates you will have some additional menus down the bottom as well, so we can control that in the same sort of way. First things first, you will need your admin login. This is where all the content is managed. So if you don't have that, please contact Web Ninja support, and I'll put up the support details at the end of this video. Once you're in, down the left hand side you'll see a button called Menu Manager. Okay, so we're going to click on that, and I really should say that the assumption is at this point that you've either created some content or that you have some links that you want to add into the site, and that side of it's ready to go. So there is a video that comes prior to this about creating pages, so the assumption is that content has already been created at this point. Now the main menu top, that's the top red menu in this case, and if I want to double check that, I just click on View Menu Items, and that will actually give me the same list that I can see on the website itself. So I can tell that I'm on the right track here. Now today I want to add a new menu item, so I'll click on that and that'll open a little interface for me. It pre-links me to the top menu, so that's fine. I'm not going to choose a parent menu item at the moment, but I will choose one the second time round. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to link in, so I'm going to give it a label, but I'm going to link in a page called My Team, which I just created on a previous video. So once I've given it a label, that's what's going to show up in the navigation, by the way. I then want to go and find the right link. Now, what I had created previously was a website page, and just to quickly highlight that, that's under the Pages area on the content on the left, and I created a page called Our Team. Okay, now I want to just open it in the same window, and just further up above, I don't want to restrict this at all as well. So you can restrict menu items to only logged in customers. I want to leave this one wide open, and I'm just going to add that. Now quite simply, I should, once that's loaded, I should get a new link added along the end. My Team it's called, that was the label, and then when I click on that I should get to my content page, which I have, and that was the page I created earlier. Now I might decide I want to change the order of that. I want to put that right up by the home page link. So I just need to drag and drop in that case. And once that's loaded, refresh the page. And there it is over on the left hand side now. Now, after playing around with that, I might decide that I actually want to put that underneath the About Us link. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll just add another one. I'm just going to add a new item. And instead of being in the parent menu item, I'm actually going to choose About Us in this case. And then I'm going to give it a different label, My Team 2. And I'm going to use the same link. So website pages, Our Team. And then you'll notice on that interface actually it is stepped in, which just shows it's under the About Us page. And if I just refresh the page and then hover over my About Us link, the same thing happens. I'll end up on the same page. But what that means is you can really utilize a lot of space here by creating as many drop downs as you like under here. You can use the full width of the page, and that'll all work in nicely. Now, the other thing we might want to do is we might want to link to a product page, or we might want to link to a custom page or something like that. So let's just say I want to link my customers through to my All Products page. Then I'm going to add another one again. I'm going to call this All Products. I don't want it to be a drop down off anything. I want it to show in the top nav on its own. And I can put things in here called custom links. So if you've got a specific page link or a product link or anything like that, you can actually just type it, and you can actually even link people to across to other websites if you like. Now I happen to know that that's the link for all products. I'm going to open it in the same window, nothing else to do. I'm just going to add that. Let that finish loading. There we go, there's my all products link. Now if I've got that link accurate, then I've got my products on the page, and that's everything. So it's a really nice, easy way of adding more links and more content to your website. If you get stuck or need any help with any of that stuff, just contact us via support, which is email support@webninja.com.au, or the website support.webninja.com.au. Thanks very much.